Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. And in today's video, we are doing an unboxing. So if you're like me, I know that you love heels. I've talked about this before. I love to wear heels. I love the aesthetic. I love the feeling, but they're not always comfortable. So I'm always on the lookout for heels that are comfortable and stylish, because that's really the difficulty, right? You might find a pair that's comfortable, but they're not as stylish as the ones that aren't. Don't worry, we have Cosy Island. So Cosy Island sent me 3 pairs of shoes and I checked out their website, and finally we have a brand that is filling that gap. So they're all about comfort without compromise. Thank goodness. The other thing that I really love is that they are sustainable. So they are making their shoes out of recycled materials. And when we look at this first pair, okay, these mules, a lot of their shoes are breathable, which is so nice because when you're wearing them all day, you don't want your foot trapped inside of a shoe, getting all, sweaty, and no, we don't want that. This is the type of shoe I wish I would have had when I was teaching all day. Do you know what I mean? Thank you to Cosy Island for listening to us ladies and filling in that gap so we can have comfortable and stylish shoes. So the first pair are these Grace Lith pointed toe heeled mules that I was just showing you. So these are the ones with the stretchy, seamless fabric. The detail that I actually really love is on the inside, there's kind of this suede material to cover where your toes are. So your toenails aren't going up into this stretchy material. So I just feel like every detail is thought about for each shoe, which is how it should be. As you can see, every sole has this comfort kind of cushion going down the sole with extra at the arch. I already shared that there's a little bit of give right here. I like how the heel has some thickness at the bottom so you can feel a little bit more secure. Oh, my favorite part, the bottom. All of the bottoms are rubber and slip resistant. I'm not gonna name names, but I went to Nordstrom to try on a very expensive pair of heels that I was thinking of investing in. And the second I put them on my feet, I felt like I was gonna slip and slide all over the place. So I really feel like Cosy Island gets it right because there is nothing elegant about being uncomfortable and feeling like you're gonna slip and fall. I mean, we are women who are going to work, leading teams, presenting on stages, doing what we need to do, and we need a shoe that's gonna let us do that. So next up we have the Chloe Tweed pointed toe block heel slingback. And so I chose this because this is a perfect heel for a beginner. We have something lower, we have something thicker, and we still have the slip resistant sole. I tested these out yesterday, okay? I almost walked 4,000 steps. And let me tell you, no wobbles, and the strap did not move. One of the reasons why I don't like slingbacks is because this strap will start shifting everywhere and your heel will start moving and kind of coming out of the shoe. It stayed put. Like I said, I tested the shoe out. And so you can see that again, we still have the cushion going all the way down. And I just love the tweed. The tweed is super classy. So I wanted this for my wardrobe and to go into fall. I just love this shoe. We all need a variety of heels in our collection. So you don't always want to be in a stiletto. You don't always want to be in a low block heel. You want variety based off of style, comfort, occasion. Okay, so I feel like these are perfect for work. And the other thing I'll say is, as somebody who wears heels all the time and I have a large collection, the secret to finding the right heel is trying different heels on, okay? Getting to know what styles work for you. And with Cosy Island, they come in different widths. Everyone's foot is a little bit different. So I just love that Cosy Island gives you the option to customize. Last pair is the Minimalist ankle strap heeled sandals. I definitely got these as a dance shoe. So I'm always looking for heels that I can dance in, that are comfortable. And I have a pair right now that's ready for retirement. So when I saw these, I thought they would be perfect. So once again, look at the amount of cushioning on this shoe. If you put your fingers inside, you will feel it. And I love the slope here. This is the exact kind of aesthetic and silhouette that I like on a heel. I love that they're more skin tone, and then they have this little ankle strap at the top. And once again, we have that seamless, breathable fabric that molds to your foot. So I'm really excited to take these out on the dance floor. The other thing is that these shoes are flexible. So I'm not trying to bend these new shoes that I have, but I just wanted to show you because I know you know what I mean when you get that hard sole in a heel and there's no give whatsoever. Again, that's what makes us look inelegant. Sometimes it's not you, it's the heel. And it's okay to blame the heel. Finding the right heel takes time, it takes research. So I'm just thankful that Cosy Island reached out to me so I can share this brand with you. All right, so here's all our Cosy Island heels. And if you like what you see, I have a discount code for you. It's in the description box below. Go to their website, go shop around, and remember, the best way to have the heels collection of your dreams is to try them on. Figure out what styles, brands, and sizes work for you, and I have a feeling Cosy Island is going to be on that list. As always, thank you for joining me. I appreciate you being here, and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload, and I will see you in the next one.